What's up, guys? It's Toby over at SBC Performance, and we're finally back in the shop from a successful and fun rally season. As promised, we're going to get rolling on Rob's 2025 CVO ST build. I know most of you would say, what's wrong with it? It looks like it's done. Well, definitely not for Rob. He needs a big motor, better suspension. Today, we're going to start taking apart the front end. We're going to get going on making our set of triple trees. Like I've been telling you guys for years, we're going to finally release those. And then we got a bunch of new products we're coming out with too. We got +2 fork guards that are going to be released very soon on the site. So if you want to pre-order, hit us up now. Otherwise, they'll be on there soon. There's a few new products we got for the rear, some more engine cover stuff too. I don't want to reveal everything and spoil it, but next up we'll be doing the motor and then the body to follow. So. All right, so just like that, we got the front end off of Rob's 25 ST. Of course, we're gonna start with the inverted front end. We might move on to the standard, depends how much you guys say you want it. And next is gonna be the body. Then we're gonna do the motor, of course, that's gotta go too. So keep on the lookout. I know we'll have the front triple tree done for Spring Daytona. Gotta make sure it looks good and functions well. Like, subscribe, comment. Let us know what you guys want to see from us as far as parts too. We're always listening. We'll see you later.